What's up guys, Saulius, I'm back again. So today we're going to play Bulldozer's Mania. So this episode we lost off on Lobo 20 Fleet with Max. Damn it. Oh, can't kill you. No! That was bullcrap. No! Doubling! Let's continue. Oh my god! How I'm losing my XP! Apiciamo! No, наконец-то! Почему я losing XP so quickly? Это нахуй игра. Следующим will be финале лобом. Chase лобом, yes. Wow! Baby's my face! Да почему? Can I not to start a call? Are you kidding me? See how you flipped the gun? How you fucking flipped the gun? We won! Are you kidding me? They killed him! A bitch! Yeah, that was so fucking fake! Ну наконец-то, Перью, иди нахуй игра! Finally, we completed level 23 into level 24. That means we beat the game. Yay! So, play that music. I won it. No, I don't like it music. So yeah, we beat the game Bulldozer's Mania. So we completed level 23 into level 24. So that means we beat the game. So I will say goodbye, Saulius, and see you tomorrow, okay? Have a good night and peace out. So yeah, stay tuned for the review in this game. Bye!